How to automate your online and offline marketing efforts. Let's face it, in this day and age, existing without a digital footprint can limit the growth of any business. To create a cohesive senior living marketing strategy, blending your online and offline marketing efforts seamlessly creates an omni-channel marketing strategy that will propel your community into the digital age. But how can you blend your online presence with your offline marketing strategy in a way that connects with your potential customers? From blog posts and social media advertisements to events and lead generation calls, there are great ways to mix and match online and offline marketing strategies through each stage of your sales funnel. Top of the funnel strategies focus on brand awareness. Let's see how we can use online and offline marketing to spark interest in your community. Online strategies for awareness may include website development, social media promotion, blog or video posts. Offline strategies may include circulating press releases, advertising in industry-specific magazines, creating direct mail marketing campaigns. In the middle of your sales funnel, it's time to focus on the details. By understanding the prospect's pain points, you can nurture their needs and foster a solution to their concerns. Some online ideas for lead nurturing can include digital newsletters and email campaigns. Some offline ideas may include sales calls and in-person meetings. Overall, there are a number of ways to reach your target audience both on and offline. The key is knowing how to create harmony between them. One of the main goals in any marketing strategy is creating a connection during the customer journey. It's time to identify the moments that matter most to your prospect. A senior living sales funnel is more complex than most industries. It's a sales funnel fraught with emotional decisions and consumer misconceptions. Plus, the audience for senior living is a bit more traditional in their communications, requiring sales funnel creation to rely on traditional marketing in addition to online marketing. Let's take a look at a possible senior living sales funnel and how the customer's journey can help identify the moments that matter. 1. Potential family searches online for local options for mom. 2. They come across your community website where they find some basic information and decide they want more information. 3. Usually they'll complete your Contact Us form or call the community directly. In this scenario, receiving a contact form inquiry is a moment that matters. It's there in those moments that you can determine where online marketing tactics make sense and where offline marketing is the most effective. Check out the blog at smartgirldigital.com for some more great online and offline marketing suggestions. Turn those moments that matter into moments that connect. When you want to connect with your audience on a personal level, harnessing the power of personalization can open up new opportunities to blend marketing tactics. Monitor your messaging. You want any prospective customers who interact with you to have the best possible customer experience. One way to do that is by blending your messaging across platforms. Track everything. Tracking allows you to map the movements of prospects and customers step by step to create a seamless customer experience. Get specific. When people think of personalization for marketing, they often think of emails. While emails can deliver a great customer experience, we want to dream a bit bigger. The final piece to the puzzle when it comes to blending digital and traditional marketing is selecting the right system for the job. In fact, none of what's outlined above comes together without a robust group of systems working together to make it happen. There are a lot of options out there. We recommend a few for a truly blended automation system. 1. A website. 2. A marketing automation platform or MAP. 3. A sales CRM. 4. A direct mail system. Tools like Zapier are great. if your current MarTech stack doesn't directly connect. In most cases, Zapier can help you create the connections between your systems. In addition to a smart system, you'll also need a smart marketing partner to help you put the pieces together. Learn how Smart Girl Digital can help your community. Book a free digital discovery call today at smartgirldigital.com.